Hi everyone, today we are going to look at how to modify a component symbol. When drawing schematics, we often run into this problem. The pin positions on the symbol don't really match the way we want to route the wires. That means we either end up with messy cross lines or we have to use extra net labels to make the connections. Both ways are inconvenient and make the schematic look cluttered. For this example, let's take a common LDO regulator, the AMS1117. On the input and output of the LDO, we usually place two capacitors, a larger one and a smaller one, for filtering. Now, if we wire it using the original symbol, this side is the VCC input. The other side is the firewall output, and the other pins are all GND. But with the default layout of the symbol, pin 2 has to loop around just to connect with pin 4. The result? The wiring looks messy and not very readable. So, what can we do? We modify the symbol. Here's how. First, delete the messy wires you already drew. Select the AMS1117, right-click, and choose Edit Symbol. Click Yes, open the symbol editor. Inside the editor, we can rearrange the pins to make adjustments easier. I recommend setting the grid size to 0.05. Move the GND pin down to the bottom and place pin 2 and 4 side by side. Once that's done, press Ctrl S to save and close the symbol editor. Back in the schematic editor, you'll see the wiring is now much cleaner. The firewall output connects directly, no looping needed. And that's it. Your schematic is now neater, clearer, and a lot easier to read.